Okay, so here is an assessment I have created for the students to test out their learning outcome for my lab safety rule study sets. And in here, I have created 10 questions, each worth 1 point. There's like true or false, but mostly multiple choice. And they're required to get an 80% passing grade for this test. And if I click preview, it should look something like this. Oh, since I have already kind of tried to take the test to see how it goes, so it just it won't show actually. But yeah, but here's the practice test I've took to just test out how it looks, and I've taken it using the name George, and you can see right here if I got wrong after I taken the test and submitted it, it will kind of tell you and what the correct answer is, and then yeah, so I think that's a very helpful feature for the students to improve their learning outcome. And then I'm able to see all the students' response right here. Here I have kind of had three of my friends helped me. So right here is the analysis of all the test results. So you can see there's the average, medium, and range. And I can also see like what are the most popular response, and then which one, basically just to see which question people are most kind of confused with, and then which one people like masters the best. For example, this one people get 100% accuracy on this one, so they should already like know this material pretty well, and I should not worry about it. But if there's like a question like this, which like 50% of people missed it and only 50% of people got right, so I could maybe in class just you know review this problem for students so they could improve their learning outcome. Yeah, and then I'm also be able to view the individual responses right here to kind of see which one they got right and which one they got wrong. I believe there's also the questions feature. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So basically, when students take the test, it will automatically grade it for them since I have already entered uh, the answer key when I made the quiz. So the grades should be come out like immediately after they take the test, and then we'll know like if who passed the test and who didn't.